Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get options trading on Fidelity. First, ensure you have an active Fidelity brokerage account. If not, you'll need to open one. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Features section. From there, select Brokerage and Trading to access the options trading application. This is your initial step towards expanding your investment capabilities with options. Next, you'll complete the online options trading application. This form requires details about your financial situation, investment objectives, and prior trading experience. Be sure to provide accurate information, as this helps Fidelity assess your eligibility. Carefully review the options agreement and disclosures, then accept them to proceed with your application submission. Fidelity offers various options trading levels, typically from 1 to 4, each granting different trading privileges. Level 1 usually permits covered calls, while Level 2 expands to include buying calls and puts. Higher levels, such as 3 and 4, allow for more advanced strategies like spreads and naked options. Your approval level depends on your experience and financial profile. Once approved, ensure your brokerage account is adequately funded to cover your options trades. You can then use Fidelity's robust platform to research and analyze potential options contracts. Take your time to understand the specific risks associated with each trade. When ready, you can confidently place your first options trade, expanding your investment portfolio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.